Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. This is a new video where you will think that I completely lost my mind, and no, I have not, but I can explain why I'm recording like this. I came here to the studio to finish this painting, and I just corrected it, and I'll attach how I'm correcting this in this video. But also I realized that my studio looks like a complete mess. It looks like a poo and I need to clean it. So I thought that I'm gonna record how I'm cleaning my studio, but this video is going to be some kind of ASMR, but not just ASMR, and very loud and annoying ASMR, because you cannot clean the poop without swearing, and you cannot make it aesthetic when your studio looks like big pile of shit. So welcome to my cleaning video. Enjoy my suffering and enjoy this, whatever this is. You will see how much of hoarding problem I have. Let's begin. So this is my studio and it looks like a complete mess. Well, here is everything alright, but if you look here or here, okay, maybe I won't touch this, but look at all of this stuff. No wonder I don't enjoy painting oil painting recently, because how can you enjoy painting when you can't find anything? Here is Latik with me in the studio. He's sleeping. So yeah, two of my palettes are a complete mess, and if you think that this paint is normal, no, it's all dry and I can't use it. I barely scrapped some paint to finish this painting. So I have so much paints and I ran out of many paints, and for some reason I didn't throw away it. And also I have so much fabric that I use to wipe up my brushes. Wipe up my brushes. So I need to sort out everything because this is unacceptable. The floor I'm sitting on is very dirty, but I don't give a fuck. So let's begin. I'm gonna use this as my trash bag and will throw away a bunch of shit that I don't need anymore. It's completely wooden. I cannot use this fabric anymore. This too. And this too. think that's all the fabric that I had. I don't know why I kept hoarding it. So right now I'll show you my collection of bottles. Empty bottles. Check this out. These are my bottles. Do I need this much bottles? I don't know. I was thinking that one day maybe I will need them. But let's be honest, I don't think I need this much empty bottles. I think I need to throw this away.
Опа! Нихера себе!
my palettes look perfect. No, far from perfect, but it's much better than it was before. There are still chunks of paint, but at least I can use it now for drawing. I mean, not right now, but I mean in the future. Also, I have something that I have no idea what to do with it. And this is my collection of these things that you use in the corner of the back of the painting. I have so much of them because these wooden things are attached to canvases when you buy them. So I have a huge collection, and I think I need to add this to the corners of the back of my paintings. I got rid of the bunch of the paint that are too old and that are empty or almost empty that I can't use anymore, but these are good paints, so I'm gonna put them in the back. Everything is slowly coming together. I have a bunch of dirt that I need to clean right now. Now it is clean. Well, mostly clean. But it's enough for today. I'm tired, especially cleaning the palettes. It's always pain in the ass. Well, because I don't clean it right away after I paint, because I hate the smell of white spirit. I think that's what it's called in English. So I usually leave dry paint and then try to scrub it years later. So yeah, that's the end of this annoying SMR. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next videos. And here is a footage of how I'm correcting my oil painting. I'll see you in next video. Bye.